Hi guys, this is a 5-minute video on what you need to know in vectors. Alright, so the first one, you should know that OA, okay, let me now start with origin. So first thing you should know is, you should know that AB is the same thing as B minus A. How do you know? Imagine you move from 3 to 7. The distance is 7 minus 3, which is 4. So the same thing. So this minus this. So that is why you always have it as OB minus OA. Now, if you are confused in this, you have AO plus OB, same thing. Then when you swap the signs, you will get this. So OB is the same thing that. Then the second thing you need to know about vectors is you have what we call unit vector. So unit vector is 1 over the magnitude of the vector. Let's say this is vector A times the vector itself. So this is unit vector. The next thing you need to know is the magnitude of a vector, or we call it modulus, or we call it distance. Distance. So the distance is square root of, so it depends if you are working with 2D or 3D. So x squared plus y squared plus z squared. So this is the third thing you need to know. The fourth thing you need to know is finding angle between two vectors. And there's a caveat here. So there's a trick here. So angle between two vectors. So what do we need to know? First thing is A dot B is, okay, let me use cos theta. So cos theta is A dot B over modulus of A and modulus of B. So this is the same thing as modulus of the vector. So let's say this is vector A or whatever it is. All right. Now, this is very important. Use the direction vector to find angles. Angle between two vectors. Yeah, so use the direction vector. Then the last part, which is very tricky, is, so I hope it's going to be 5 minutes. So imagine I have a line L1 and I have a point A, and I need to find, let's say this point of intersection is N. Okay? Remember, anywhere on this line is N. N is anywhere, and N is L1. Depends on your value of lambda will tell you. So if you have equation of a line, all right, before I do, okay, I think I will make the fifth one here. If I have two vectors, 2, 3, 1, and 4, 1, 2. This is A, this is B. The equation of this line is, start with this, 2, 3, 1, plus lambda, you minus this from this, because you're moving from here to here, the same thing here. So this will be 2 minus 2, 1. So this is the equation of this line. So imagine I want to find a line, a point on L1. Remember, this can be OA, ON, L. So to find ON, I need two things. The first one, I need to do the dot product of this. So I will do anyone. You can take, so this will be A minus N, or N minus A. Remember, these are vectors. Dot direction of L1. So this, it might be this. So you just put it in terms of lambda, that will be this. Then this point minus A, whatever you get. So you're doing dot product of this and the direction. That will make you to find lambda. So I hope it's 5 minutes. I'm not checking my time. So I think I've been able to summarize what you need to know in vector. So check other videos. I'm going to do some example. So if I have a point meeting a line, find the L1 in terms of lambda. So I can do 2 plus 2 lambda, 3 minus. So that is L1. So this is Tn. Now, so O is somewhere, this can be N, this can be A. So O is K, so this is On. Now, I need to find this minus whatever they give me in A. When I find that, dot the direction of L1, then I can find lambda. All right, guys, take care of yourself and bye.